Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're looking to dive into the world of trading, you might have come across eToro. But is it really the best platform for crypto and stocks? Let's break down what sets it apart and what you should watch out for, especially if you're a beginner trying to choose a platform that feels simple, useful, and not too intimidating. eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to invest in a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies and stocks. What makes it stand out is its unique social trading feature, which lets you follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. This can be especially appealing for beginners who may not know where to start, because instead of trying to understand everything alone, you can observe how other traders build their portfolios, manage risk, and react to market changes. Of course, copying someone does not guarantee profits, but it can give new users a practical way to learn from real trading behavior. The interface is user-friendly, designed to help both novice and experienced traders navigate the market easily. You can explore a wide range of assets, from Bitcoin to Tesla shares, all in one place. This is useful if you want one platform where you can watch different markets without switching between multiple apps. However, it's worth noting that while eToro offers a demo account for practice, some users may find the educational resources lacking, which could be a drawback for those wanting to learn more about trading strategies. A demo account is helpful because you can test trades with virtual money first, but beginners should still take time to understand things like market volatility, risk management, fees, and long-term investing before using real funds. Overall, eToro's blend of social interaction and trading functionality makes it an interesting choice, but there are some areas that feel a bit underdeveloped. It works well for people who like a more community-based experience, but if you are someone who wants advanced charting tools, deep research features, or very detailed educational guidance, you may feel like some parts of the platform are missing depth. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, eToro's social trading aspect is a game changer for those new to investing. You can learn from others and potentially boost your success rates by copying their strategies. Plus, the platform is visually appealing and easy to use. For beginners, this matters a lot, because a complicated platform can make trading feel stressful before you even place your first trade. The clean layout, watch lists, profiles, and copy trading tools make the experience feel more approachable. However, there are some significant downsides. The fees can be a bit on the high side compared to other platforms, especially when it comes to withdrawals. This is important because fees can reduce your overall returns, especially if you trade often, deposit and withdraw regularly, or start with a smaller amount. Additionally, while the social aspect is great, it can lead to herd mentality, where users might follow others blindly without doing their own research. Just because a trader has good past performance does not mean they will always make the right move, so it is always better to look at their risk score, trading history, asset choices, and strategy before copying them. Lastly, eToro is not available in every country, which might limit access for some users. Availability, supported assets, payment methods, and rules can vary depending on where you live, so it is always worth checking what features are actually offered in your region before signing up. If you're looking for a more traditional trading experience or lower fees, you might want to consider alternatives. Some platforms may offer better tools for advanced traders, lower trading costs, or more detailed market research, depending on your goals. In conclusion, eToro can be a solid option for beginners looking to explore crypto and stocks with the help of social trading features. It is especially useful if you like the idea of learning by watching other investors and testing your approach with a demo account first. However, if you're more experienced or sensitive to fees, you might want to explore other platforms. Overall, it's worth trying, but proceed with caution and do your own research. And remember, trading always carries risk, so never invest more than you can afford to lose.